Okay, so now we'll learn how to do morning walker practice for the unit rod. First, we have to hold the pencil in a right hand like this, as if like a gun, right? And then we have to hold the tool with our left hand like this, so that the index finger and the middle finger of our left hand should just rest on the tense rod. So this is the unit rod. See this, there are 5 white dots, 1 2 3 4 5. So these dots are placed on the answer bar. So unless and until the bead touches the answer bar, the value of the abacus tool is 0, right? So right now we will focus only on the unit rod. The center white dot is placed on the rod called as unit rod, right? So for that we have to hold the pencil like this, and our thumb and index finger should be free. So each bead in the unit rod has a value of 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Correct? The value of the bead on the upper deck of unit rod, this one, this value is 5. How are we going to practice? 1 with thumb, less 1 with index. 2 with thumb, less 2 with index. 3 with thumb, less 3 with index. 4 with thumb, less 4 with index. 5 with index, less 5 with index. 6 with pinch, less open the pinch. 7 with pinch, less open the pinch. 8 with pinch, less open the pinch. 9 with pinch, less open the pinch. Clear? You have to practice this every day for half an hour. 1 with thumb, less 1 with index. 2 with thumb, less 2 with index. 3 with thumb, less 3 with index. 4 with thumb, less 4 with index. 5 with index, less 5 with index. Clear? Now we will do the tense rod. So the rod which is just adjacent to the unit rod on the left side of the unit rod is called as the tense rod. So this is the unit rod and this is the tense rod. Okay, so similarly all the beads in the tense rod have the value of 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. The moment I do this as 1, so this has a value of 1 and here the value is 0. So 1 0 becomes 10. Similarly, the moment I take 2 beads to the answer bar, this becomes 2 and this becomes 0. So the value, the answer is 2 0 20. Similarly, 3 0 30. 4 0 40 and 5 0 50. Clear? So how are we going to practice the tense rod? 1 with index, less 1 with index. 2 with index, less 2 with index. 3 with index, less 3 with index. 4 with index, less 4 with index. 5 with middle, less 5 with middle. Understood? Now let's practice once again for the tense rod. 1 with index, less 1 with index. 2 with index, less 2 with index. 3 with index, less 3 with index. 4 with index, less 4 with index. 5 with middle, less 5 with middle. So when we are going to make 11, how are we going to do 11? First we'll start with the unit rod. 1 with thumb and 1 with index on the tense rod. So 1 with thumb on the unit rod, 1 with index on the tense rod. Now how are we going to make 2 2 22? 2 with thumb on the unit rod, 2 with index on the tense rod. So 2 2 22. Similarly, how are we going to make 3 3 33? 3 with thumb on the unit rod, 3 with index on the tense rod. 3 3 33. Similarly, 4 4 44. Similarly, 5 5 55. Clear? Now how are we going to do 6 0 60? 6 with scissor, less open the scissor. So this is acting like a scissor. Okay, so 7 with scissor, less open the scissor. 8 with scissor, less open the scissor. 9 with scissor, less open the scissor. So now if I ask you, please make 6 0 60. So 6 with scissor and this is already 0 in the unit rod. So 6, 0, 60. 7, 0, 70. 8, 0, 80. 9, 0, 90. Similarly, 6, 1, 61. 7, 2, 72. 9, 4, 94. I hope this is clear now. So now you just have to practice the unit rod and the tens rod. Unit rod with your right hand. When you are going to add with thumb. Less means minus with index. 1 with thumb, less 1 with index. 2 with thumb, less 2 with index. 3 with thumb, less 3 with index. 4 with thumb, less 4 with index. But when we have to add 5 in the unit rod, 5 with index, less 5 with index. Okay. Now on the tens rod, 1 with index, less 1 with index. 2 with index, less 2 with index. 3 with index, less 3 with index. 4 with index, less 4 with index. 5 with middle, less 5 with middle. Clear? If you have any further doubts, you can contact us.